Let's have a look at the oscilloscope. It offers a bandwidth of 500 kHz with a sampling rate of 10 megasample per second. The DSO TC3 signal generator offers sine, square, pose, triangle, and ramp waveforms. You can easily set up the frequency and the amplitude of your signals. When you purchase the device, you will get a P6100 oscilloscope probe and its user guide. You get also a BNC-MCX adapter to connect it, and the usual plastic colored rings for identification. The 3-in-1 measurement device is compact, affordable, and easy to use with a good battery life.